By the way, I know the underscore Mersh account on YouTube. You know, it's fucking great. You know what I mean? Bing, bing, bong, boom, bing. I apparently also don't have a car now. I went to go start my car, and it went ape shit on me. It just went absolutely ape shit on me. I couldn't. It was weird, bro. It's something electrical. I'm thinking it's a dead battery. I hope it's a dead battery. I literally I hit the start on my car and it just went everything flipping on and off, on and off, on and off. And then I couldn't get, because my remote battery was dead. And the car was so dead. And then I switched the remote battery to try to open, because my car locked, and then I couldn't unlock the car because the battery was dying in my remote. Put a fresh battery in the remote. I had to use my manual key to get in and shut everything off. It literally just sat on, but not on. So it is what it is. I'm going to have to get a battery. I'm going to have to put it in myself because I'm not fucking... I'm broke. Anyway, that's my fun. That's my fun night so far. But we're good. I was almost a little bit late because I had to walk to the fucking store instead of driving. But we did get some booze. We got some fun. I have... And I want to wait a little bit. I want to see if we get some people in here. I know my Sunday night streams are not extremely popular. I know it's the holidays, so I know we're not going to have huge numbers tonight. But I know we'll get more people in here than the 100 or so that are currently watching. Stephen Aviv said battery may just need a charge, may not need to do a full replacement. Nah, that battery's been on its way out. To be honest, Stephen, I know what you mean, but... You know, I don't know if you guys remember, I complained like a month or two ago that my starter seemed to be going, right? Well, I don't think it was the starter. I think whoever suggested it was the battery was correct. Because my starter still works, everything still works, but it's just been, there's definitely been like a sluggishness to starting the car. And honestly, also, it's cold. It's now in the 40s here. So now that the temperatures dropped to the 40s, that battery's probably cooked. Here was the highlight last night of if you guys don't know, usually after Nightwave, depending on, I don't know if he's going to be around tonight, but you know, usually we do Nightwave and then Virgie will stream, and Virgie has been streaming on VR chat. And we were doing our usual thing, having a couple laughs. And so there was this chick, there was all these girls in there that looked like anime girls, and I was like, "What's up, ladies? What's up? Anybody here want to be racist and stuff?" And they were like, "No, thanks." And we're like, "All right." So then we went outside. We were going to go to a new world in VR chat. And then I told Virgie, I'm like, no, let's go back. I know what to do. I'm going to go hit on them again. Let's try this. So this was me hitting on a chick, because she does say she's a minor in this, but I basically was like, "Hey, sweetie, you want to go be racist with me?" This is one of the funniest clips. I couldn't believe I thought this quickly on the fly. I was hammered when we did this.
Where did that almost racist bitch go? My friend would like to talk to her.
Hey, hello. No, shut up. I got this. Hey, last chance. You want to go hate with me, darling?
I'm a minor.
She goes, "I'm a minor," and Virgie goes, "Oh," and I go, "Oh," and then I'm like, wait, come back, because Virgie was walking away. I'm so glad Virgie didn't walk out. Oh, Jesus! I'm like, hang on.
For hating my own kind, I got
okay, buddy.
yeah,
what is this?
Hang on, we'll make this. We'll make this right. Oh, hang on. Do you want to go be racist with me, my darling?
I'm a lesbian.
That is so incredibly fucked up on so many levels. That's so funny.
I'm sorry for bothering you guys. You guys, honestly, all joking aside, you guys have a great night. Take care.
Good. Thank you, you too.
Hey, tell me the doctor disrespect. Tell me the doctor disrespect shit wasn't funny though. Tell me that wasn't funny.
Where'd you get that? It was funny.
I swear, I have been having so much fun. I have been having so much fun with the VR chat thing, and I don't even have like the gimmicks for it. I've just been doing it on the PC fucking around, and it's been so much fun.
I want you to treat General Kimbo with the same respect that you have treated me, with the same respect you've given me.
These people really do this.
Over these past campaigns we've had. I'm proud.
Like, I get it. Me and Virgin running around on VR chat and screaming the N-word isn't exactly fucking high art, but it's more fun than this bullshit. Amanda, thank you so much. $20 coming in. Hey, yo. That's right. I need money for a car battery. Not because I'm going to replace the one in my car. I'm going to hook it up to my fucking head and myself. Thank you so much for 20. She said, Merry Christmas to you, Mersh, and Louie, Clarence, and Marge. They're doing good. Oh, shit, I missed one here. Thank you to... Oh, no, this was last night. I wanted to shout out that Metal Shred Freak guy did donate after the show. He said, ain't much. Appreciate the support you've shown my friends and I, dog. Of course. I like righting wrongs. It's one of the things I kind of enjoy. I like bullying bullies, and we sure bullied some bullies. Amanda for 10 said, sorry and talking in all caps. It's fine. It's fine. It's just... I don't have 1,000 people watching and chatting, so like my chat doesn't move that fast. I promise you guys, I read 90% of the chat comments. I can see the chat. So when people start repeating themselves and yelling at me, there's a couple things. One, I don't like when people tell me, I don't like this, move on, do something else. That's one of my top pet peeves. If you want to do a show, do a show. Don't tell me how to do mine. Two, the all caps thing, which is fine. But third, people know I can see you in the chat. When people start repeating themselves, I'm like, I saw you. It's fine now. We're all fine. Everybody calm down. I'm a little worked up. My fucking car won't start, all right? How about fucking deal with me and my attitude today? Because I'm the one whose car isn't fucking starting, and I lost my wallet. I'm not having a great Christmas. This Christmas sucks dick. Anyway, I just wanted to read that real quick. Make sure that we don't have any other ones. Boom, boom, bing. Let me check Cash App real quick. Boom, boom, bong. And then we'll move on here. Boom, boom, bing. Boom, boom, bong. And then we'll move on here. And by the way, I don't have a shitty car, Amanda. I have a Cadillac, actually. Robert, 13, what's your car doing when you try to start it? The battery's dead, dude. I know that it's got to be a dead battery, because when I go to start it, it just goes nuts. Like it obviously doesn't have enough oomph to start, but everything goes click, 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 turn off, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, click, 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 it just went nuts, electronic, like when I tried to start it. And I'm pretty sure it's a dead battery. Plus, as I explained in the beginning of the show, my battery has already been sort of on my mind that it needs to be replaced soon. And it's been a little wonky, and now we just got battered with cold weather. So, get a reliable car, Mersh. My car is reliable. The fucking battery is dead, you fucking fuck you mean? Mission Creep said, how old is your battery? It's has not been replaced since I got the car. So, I know everyone thinks it's the alternator. I'm telling you, I don't think it's the alternator. It's the battery. Like... You know what I mean? It's not like my alternator's fine, but here's the thing: when your alternator works and your battery is fucked, the alternator ain't gonna do shit. STM said nope, alternator or transmission. Yeah, because when a car's transmission's bad, it won't start. Fuck you mean? So it's click, 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 and then everything was turning on and off, turning on and off, turning on and off, and I was like, fuck. And then it wouldn't turn off at all. So then I walked to the store, and when I was walking home, I'm like, are my lights still on in my car? Like, it was still like, it was weird. Thank you, Katamambo, for $10, says, when from bed to Mersh, I need more Mersh stand-up. I've been thinking about doing some open mics. We'll see. This is so stupid. VR chat rules.
This just got interesting.
This is the best place ever.
I'm so glad this exists.
Oh wait, I got one more parlor trick. Ready? I got one more for you. Ready? All right, ready. Hang on. I'm gonna stand by the door so you can see it. Ready?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Yinger is what it said.
I can also children and play video games.
I know, she was just like,
Oh my god, it's a predator.
we like to just like,
Because I turned into Dr. Disrespect and this goes, it's the Predator.
cool. Am I saying it right?
Do you look better in this?
I love video games. This is so good.
No, I love video games, but I love...
actually the predator in the real Predator Hunting Grounds game.
You're working on?
Wait, what? Oh my god, he was.
Yeah, that's why he's the predator.
Oh no, and then he tried to the kid. Wow, this is bad. I should tell the people at Rumble.
What is it?
And the hey guys, did you know this?
Yeah, you really should.
So I had a contractor at Rumble. I'm streaming right now, by the way. So I had a contractor at Rumble, and then they dropped us, and they signed Dr. Disrespect, and we've never been happier because we're like, holy shit, we almost renewed with them. And so when he came to Rumble, he told the CEO Chris Pavlovsky, he's like, we need a cool nickname for Chris from Rumble. How about CP?
You guys are talking
CP's a cool nickname. Let's do CP.
So it becomes tiny?
There's just like no fucking self-awareness in that brain whatsoever.
The CEO paid $20 million to get Dr. Disrespect to give him the nickname CP. I just want you to know that if you're buying Rumble stock in the future, they're stupid.
Oh man.
How many streamers have left the platform since the doc thing? Because I don't keep up with.
Oh, I haven't left the platform. I'm still on it. I just don't have a contract with him anymore because I called the CEO and tagged him on Twitter.
I mean, I've heard people try to do it, but they just like,
Just based. I like that.
I'm not very good.
Yeah, honestly, that's one way to burn out. That's
my degree on
you should really. I should do that with my work.
Yeah, guys, if you ever get a chance, check out Revenge of the Cis.
Masters online. The undergrads in person, but their masters is online.
Oh, you guys.
Is that your handle on Rumble?
No, it's a YouTube channel and a Rumble channel. Revenge of the Cis, like cisgender. It's a show I do with my buddy, and it's kind of good. It's no cum town, but you know, it's all right.
We do pool decks. You know what that is?
All right.
Maybe a little bit more racist.
I do.
Oh, it's way more racist.
No, sexist would be more of it.
The whole area around the pool and such.
Not really racist. We mostly hate women.
This is mostly concrete type stuff. Yeah.
Hey, all you can eat, then you fucking pay for it. If you want to go pay $150 a month for fucking internet for me, then I'll get Starlink. You fucking just act like, yeah, just pay 3 times as much for internet. What's the problem? I'm sick of these that are like, buy a $400 unit and then pay 3 times as much a month for internet. It's a write-off for you. I know how taxes work, you fucking.
I was playing with them first. I was playing.
Fucking dude who never donates to the show, telling me how to spend my. Go fuck your mother.
Where you at, baby boy?
Go eat a dick. And burn in hell all you can eat. How about that? Who never give money to this show, telling me how to fucking appropriate my money. Actually, now that I think about it, you got any kids like that washing machine?
Bro, what? What?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm the 2-time. You ever heard of me?
Sure, he can wink them.
I came here to play Marvel Rivals and kids, and I'm all out of Marvel Rivals.
You want to look with that?
Dude.
He's just an Obama floating head.
Yeah, dude.
And it opens up, the mouth opens up like Canadians from South Park.
Yeah, dude, isn't it great?
It's
Oh my god.
It's so beautiful.
Hang on, I'm gonna steal this Obama. You know, Barb loved every minute of it.
Can you do some random access humor for me?
Some what?
What you calling big boy?
Let me pull up.
Have you never heard that? Yeah, that's the thing that Chris does, where he just like blurts out stuff.
2, 1.
The queen is gonna be fine. Don't worry. I'm gonna be great. The cops are taking me from this travel lodge to sit in prison for a while. Cause I my octogenarian mom. Did you guys hear about that time I my 80-year-old mom?
Oh yeah, and also
And then the state just let me go because of COVID.
Oh, never mind.
Fuck. What was I looking for?
I might be cooked here.
This is wild. You notice? I've been fine until I connected to an instance. Yeah, Virgie already figured it out. This is unbelievable. Yeah, Kevin, man. Honestly, dude, if that guy ever comes to you hat in hand and tries to be cool and it seems like he's got his shit together, you should probably forgive him. Wait, am I going to the Spanish store? Or am I just disconnecting again? I don't know anymore. I don't care. Who gives a fuck? Who cares about any of this shit? Just fucking yourself. That didn't connect. That did not connect correctly. Because of the stupid fucking internet. It was fine. I sat here rambling. I could have went and done shit. But no, I couldn't have gone and done shit, because if I'd gone and done shit, I would have immediately gotten disconnected. Somebody's fucking with me. At this point, I can't believe it's anything other than somebody's fucking with me. The hiccups are fucking miserable. I hate it. I would literally... I'll be honest with you, there may come a day where I myself, and if I myself, I can tell you this. One of the triggers for myself, it won't be a bitch. It won't be like drug withdrawal. One of the reasons, minor inconveniences I might myself over, is hiccups. It's fun having internet that, like, it's the most frustrating thing ever to just have your internet only fuck up just enough to keep disconnecting you from shit, but never enough to, like, keep you, like if the internet would just go, we're down. You go, all right, well, it's down. But not this internet. New sub. Service unavailable. And during the holidays too, because everyone's gonna be off, everyone's gonna be home, so everyone's gonna be on the internet. And again, Spectrum pretends like you're just throttling the internet, and whenever you point that out, they're like, nah, we're not throttling the internet, we legally can't do that. And you're like, no, that's what you're doing, you're throttling the internet. And then when you get caught doing it, you go like, it's an equipment thing, and I don't know, man. I don't know about all that. You're like, no, it's what you're doing. Can I get one website that doesn't have, like, sheety, scummy little fuck... Trying so hard to just get some shit downloaded. I can't even do that now. Like, I can't even download a quick thing and do a thing. Like, this is becoming a fucking problem, dude. Everything and everyone's conspiring against me, and I don't know, man. I hope reincarnation is real, and I'd love to find out what it's like to just come back and have, like, live life in easy mode. That'd be cool. That'd be fucking tight, dude. That'd be fucking awesome. It's just gonna keep booting me. Like I don't know what to do. Like this is my internet. This is Spectrum. This is what they do. They pretend they provide me with a service and they don't fucking ever do it. This is great. This is fun. I wanted to have fun tonight, not be frustrated. I want to send this whole fucking stream. You know what? We're gonna harass the fuck out of Spectrum. I've decided we need to harass the fuck out of Spectrum. They're gonna fix my neighborhood.
Oh, I need to go on
By hook or crook, you guys are gonna fix my shit. We're starting a campaign starting tomorrow night where all we do is harass Spectrum. Fucking Did I even download the avatar before it disconnected me?
Onto the right.
Yeah, I know I got disconnected because of Spectrum. We know. We wanted to have fun tonight, but we're not allowed to do that. Spectrum doesn't let us have fun. Spectrum fucking takes my money, fucks me in my ass, doesn't give me my fucking internet, and then they just go, well, that's how life is. That's what you do. Oh, cool. I'm reconnected. I'm just trying to get the fucking song, and I can't even do that. So caring. Like, I want to... I don't need much, man. I just need my shit to work. You know what I mean? Like, that's all I want. That's all I want is my shit to work. But yeah, I'm already disconnected because I'm sure my shit's already fucked up again. Unfucking believable that I can't just have a basic little fucking stream, man, and have some fun with my friends. I'm alone in the holidays. My life's fucking a mess. I'm broke. I'm tired. My car don't work. I lost my wallet. I want to die. And I'm like, you know, it'd be fun making a couple bucks, having some fun, goofing around on VR chat with my boys. But I can't do that. God and the world at large has decided I am not to be entitled to any joy. I'm apparently not allowed a shred of joy this year. Isn't that fun? Oh, good. Is this one not going to work too? Conversion failed. So, is it just a fucking... Yeah, we're back. I mean, I'm going to try to download the thing and maybe see if it works. It probably won't. None of this will work. None of this cares. Who cares anymore? At this point, like, there's no point in watching my show. There's no point because they won't let you. They won't let me live my life and just enjoy time with my friends. Why would you let me do that? Literally just want to have a fun stream with my friends. Why aren't you letting me have that? Why can't I have that? Why can't I just use my internet after 11 p.m.? Why is that a... You're gonna do this to me.
By time, by gravity,
night.
By all these physical forces, when really I just...
Check, did anybody donate? Probably not, because who would watch this fucking stream? Who cares, right? Because it's just a mess. I can't even fucking broadcast.
That I've ever dreamed of being.
I mean, it's funny, because like, I'm still sitting here trying to do the Eddie Guerrero thing, and that's never gonna happen. But it's just funny that I'm still trying, But it's like, what am I gonna do? Go into the fucking VR world and get disconnected in 2 minutes?
I want your outfit, Steve.
No, DV, it's not just you. It's my internet keeps fucking doing that. It literally does this. This is what Spectrum does. It literally, every time after 11:30, it just clips my upload speed. It clips my upload speed. And every fucking 2.5 minutes clips my upload speed. The dude showed me the meter. The text showed me the meter for my whole neighborhood and my old neighborhood, and every neighborhood that has Spectrum has this happen, because Spectrum will lie to you and tell you they're not clipping your shit or fucking bottlenecking you. They are. Amanda said we should stream earlier. I should just stream earlier. Virgie, we're gonna have to stream early tomorrow. Let's do ROTC's time slot. Because my internet's just gonna keep doing this. Some late guy for 20. Sorry it's on Rumble, but hope you have a nice, pleasant, good Christmas. Probably won't dono until next year, but not on Rumble. But still have a good Christmas. Nobody should have a bad one in my... I read his donation, and the internet sucks so bad I don't have enough time to send an equally heartwarming, like heartfelt, like love back to. Like, no, oh yeah, I hope you and yours, but the internet cut out. I can't even tell that guy that I hope he also has a Merry Christmas, because fuck me, right, Spectrum? I don't care, like... I will say this, because I almost said something that I don't want to say. All I'm saying is I almost said something that genuinely I think is almost a mortal sin, which is I don't want to do this anymore. I do want to do this. I don't want to do this anymore like this. With everything working against me all the time. And I know that there are a little more every day. There are instances in my life where obviously the fights I pick fights that I don't need to pick, and I have to deal with those fights in life, right? But that being said, I pick enough fights in my life. I don't need paid services acting against me. I don't need the inconvenience of every other fucking... Stay with me. Hold me near. Forcing the world working against me. It just continues to get worse and worse. And I know that I could just pick less fights and not fight those fights, but those fights matter. Buddy, I employ for fucking services seems to be fucking me as well. You know what? Third off, I can't. I'm not tonight. I get the joke, but you're fucked. You're fucked forever, actually. I just clicked forever. I actually meant to ban Third Off for just the rest of the show, and I'm drunk and I misclicked, and you're banned forever. And I don't know how to fix it, so.
Human fears, or even human hopes. The only purpose or belief.
I don't know, you know what I mean? It's
the path from the mind to the brain. Path from the mind to the brain.
I don't know anymore, man. Like I don't I don't know anymore. It would cost so much money to flip back to Frontier. It's gonna be fine. Don't worry. I'm gonna be great. The cops are taking me from this travel lodge to sit in prison for a while.
This is a preset world. There are no secrets.
I feel as though I found my soulmate. I never feel alone or lonely. That's just something I don't experience. Kind of feeling of alienation, no matter how strange the world outside gets. I know that there's someone that understands me.